Hello everyone, thank you for having me. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Kevin, the first author of this paper. I'm not alone, I'm with my partner. He is Freddy Widya Aryasta, and our paper title is The Development of Multimedia Learning to Improve Critical Thinking Skills of Fourth Grade Students in Science. Next. Introduction. First, the Indonesian state that will become the golden generation in 2045. So, to prepare qualified human resources in 2045, teachers as educators have an important role to educate students to be able to compete with the human resources of various countries. If teachers can educate the younger generations well, a brighter future will be created for Indonesia. To support a bright future, teachers must be able to educate a variety of abilities and skills in the 21st century. Next. According to BNSP, or Badan Nasional Satuan Pendidikan, and US-based Apollo Education Group, critical thinking will be one of the most important skills in 21st century. And then science and technology subject in elementary aims to appreciate science and technology and also improving students' critical thinking and scientific thinking skills. So, the student will learn how to be critical with science subject. But through the result of PISA, Program for International Students Assessment conducted by the OECD, or Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, in 2018, Indonesian students in science subjects is still receiving low grades. This indicates that the learning process of natural science subjects in Indonesian schools is still focusing on remembering only, without understanding the basic concept of science. And then this is our identification of problem. From pretest, for pretest, we use HOTS or high order thinking skills for question in science. But we only got 42.41% of students can got scores more than minimum criteria of mastery learning. It means some students still have low critical thinking skills. From the needs of media, 85% students feel that teachers always use lecture as the teaching method. And students said that students' book is the media which teachers use frequently. And for the last, 96.67% students need a learning media that can improve critical thinking skills. So based on this identification of problem, we try to develop a multimedia learning that can improve critical thinking skills of fourth grade students in science subject. Next, this is our literature review. Critical thinking. The philosophers argued that critical thinking is a combination of attitudes, knowledge, and skills. It includes the ability to identify problems, find and apply attitudes and knowledge from Pratiwi. And then multimedia, according to Dito, stated that The definition of multimedia in science includes several aspects that synergize between text, graphics, static image, animation, film, and sound. From MZ and Rahmawati, and for the last articulate storyline, software that has a presentation function with an interface like Microsoft PowerPoint, but has several different features such as timeline, movie, character, navigation buttons, zoom buttons, practice exercise, and etc. Through the articulate storyline, the output of presentation will look more creative and comprehensive. Articulate storyline can be used as interactive multimedia from the Narwati. Research method. In this research, we use R&D or research and development based on Brock and Gall. But because of the coronavirus pandemic, we only did 7 of 10 steps from Brock and Gall model. According to MZIR, when using Brock and Gall model, it is possible to limit the number of procedure steps in a small scale study. So this is there are our 7 steps. 1. Research and information gathering. 2. Planning. 3. Developing the initial form of the product. 4. Product revision. 5. Field testing. 6. Final product revision. And for the last 7, final product. Technique and instrument of data analysis. In this research, we use several types of data. Those are validation test, practical assessment, pre-test, questionnaire, the needs of media. And then for instrument, we use validation form, assessment form, evaluation test, and questionnaire form. For data collection technique, we use validation, assessment, evaluation, and questionnaire. For data technique analysis, we use descriptive percentage. Validity. For this research, validity divided into 3 parts. For the first part is content. It has 3 validators. From the first validator, we got 52 out of 60, or 86.7%, which is very valid. From the second validator, we got 50 out of 60, or 83.3%, which is very valid. And then from the last validator of content, we got 53 out of 60, or 88.3%, which is very valid. And for the second part of this validity is media. We got 41 out of 44, which is very valid. And then for the language, we got 25 out of 28, which is very valid. Practically, for practically, we got the point from 56 students and 2 teachers. From students, we got 267 out of 336, which is practical. And then from the teachers, we got 19 out of 20, which is very practical. Conclusion. The advantages of instructional multimedia include having a simulation experiment, HO test questions, contextual material by the 2013 curriculum, building critical thinking skills, and deliver with a language style that is in line with student development. And the result of the validation of this multimedia learning is very valid. Thank you.